Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by using an online Docker provider or a cloud IDE that already supports containers. Sign in and pick a base image that matches your project needs, because the image determines available packages and performance. Once done, allocate CPU and memory according to the workload, then open the integrated terminal. Make sure to run Docker version and Docker login if required, so you confirm the environment is ready and authenticated before creating any containers. You now launch the container with explicit options so the runtime matches your workflow. For example, use V to mount your code and P to expose a service port. Explain why. Mounting enables live edits, and port mapping provides access to web services. After starting, use Docker PS to list running containers, Docker logs to view output, and Docker inspect for configuration details. If you need a shell, Docker exec, it lets you enter the container to install packages or tweak settings directly. You finish by capturing your working container state. Either commit changes for a quick snapshot or create a Docker file to reproduce builds consistently. Reproducibility saves time later. Then tag and push your image to a registry if you want deployment or collaboration. Make sure to stop or clean up unused containers to avoid resource costs. If something goes wrong, check container logs first, ensure volume mounts and port mappings are correct, and confirm the provider's CPU/memory limits haven't throttled your service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.